MVIS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm just going to answer everything around this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Microvision stock. Good 18% increases in price. This is how my chart looks like, by the way. Yeah, so I was waiting for my confirmation to be met and take things up, and actually it did get met here. That's why, there's a reason why this is already break free. And I know, like, I'm very risk averse, but the reality behind this is that it was called out way beforehand, and now the rules got met. So still actually going to be moved here. I'm actually going to keep that there. Let me show you the proof. Yeah, this is like what I'm talking. This was made 3 days ago, 14th of January. From these, way before anything happened. Definitely will keep you updated unless the sheet. Right? Guess what happened? It is happening. It doesn't have, like, there's two outcomes. It hits the TP or the break even. No in between. The only thing that I can do is just keep waiting in the meantime. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's just a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. You know, I'm sending a free daily email, so make sure to not miss tomorrow's one.